So we got the engine on the engine stand finally, and we're gonna tear it down. You want to be on video? YouTube. They're shy. Anyways, we got the engine broke down, or actually not broke down. We're going to break the engine down. We got the engine on the engine stand, and we're gonna remove the head and all the components, and we're going to go ahead and port the head on the intake and exhaust side and get all this stuff freshened up, clean it up, repaint the block, probably keep it a grayish color, repaint the trans, probably do it a gray color. That way if any oil should get anywhere, we'll be able to tell really easy. And then we have the other engine on the block here on the stand, and we take a look. You can see where the pistons, the valves and pistons collided, made some good damage in there. Yeah, that one's really bad down there. I'm not sure what all you can see because it's super bright outside, but we'll be taking the good components off of here, putting them on here. So like AC compressor, all that stuff. Once we get this broke down, we've got a brand new timing belt. Before this happened, timing belt had like 100 miles or so on it. So replace this and everything. We got a brand new multi-air screen, all that stuff. So we'll get this broken down, and then any parts that come off here we'll end up keeping, because it's starting to get hard to source these parts. But as far as the multi-air that I already have, I know it works great, and I have the upgraded multi-air springs, so we're just gonna pop and swap, do that kind of good thing. And then yeah, that's pretty much it for this time. So on our next little adventure, we'll start breaking this engine down. But if you want to follow me on this journey, I would highly appreciate it. This is a ton of work to do. I enjoy it. I am medically retired from the Marine Corps, so I have to work smarter, not harder. Not lifting anything crazy, using the tools when I can, all that good stuff. Sometimes being hard-headed, I do lift shit I'm not supposed to, and I pay for it, but it's all good. I'll make do to get you guys content and everything. I'm not afraid to tear these cars apart and get into them and learn. I love to learn about them. So if you want to learn about them with me, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, so every time we upload a video, you'll get notified that we posted. And I'll see you next time. Peace.